Example number 33. This is page number 68. Arya Book Depot, class 6. Example number 33. Find the LCM of 5, 10 and 15. Find the LCM of 5, 10 and 15. So first we will take by 5, then 2, then 3. So now we will multiply 1 into 2 into 3. So that is 30. Is you. But by the prime factorization methods, we have to write likewise. So multiple of 5 is equal to 5, then 10, then 15, then 20, then 25, and so on. 30 also. 30, 35, 40, 45, dot. Multiple of 10 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and dot. 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, dot. And multiple of 15 is equal to 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120. Here you can see a common multiple. Common multiple. Common multiples are 30. You can see here 30 and 30. So 30 is there. Next is 60. 60. Next is 90. 90 will be there. Among all these common multiples, which one is the least? 30 is the least. So least common multiples, that is LCM, is equal to 30. So this is the prime factorization method, and this is the other method. By both the methods, LCM of 5, 10 and 15 is 30. Second one, LCM by prime factorization method. So this is method is known as the prime factorization method. So you can also find the LCM. Example number 34. Find the LCM of 24, 72 and 60. Find the LCM of 24, 72 and 60. 24, 72 and 60 by prime factorization method. So factors you have to write like 2, then 2L, then 6, then 2, then 3. Here 72, then 72, 36, 18, then 3, then 60, 35. So you have to write here 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and 72 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, and 60 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now, here to find the LCM, multiply the common factors taken once and non-common factors also. First, you have to take the common factors. Common factors are first 3, then 2, both 2. That means you have to find out the LCM means the common factor and the non-common factor you have to multiply all. That means 2 into 2 into 3. These are the common factors. Then we multiply here to 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So LCM of these all three will be here to there to multiply. That means 12 will be the common factors and multiply by 60. 720 is the answer. Two into 2 into 3. Okay. Then 2. Okay. So we will take here the common factor also as a 2 only. Then this is the 360. Next question is, see here, we have to multiply the common factors in all three numbers. These are the common factors in all three numbers. Now this is the common factor in between the two numbers here. So only 1, 2 we will consider here. Now, next is find the LCM of 20, 35, 50. Twenty, 35, 50. 20, 35, and 50. 20 is 2, 10, then 5. 35, 5, 50, then 2, 25, then 5 into 5. So 20 is equal to 2 into 5. 35 is equal to 5 into 7. 50 is equal to 2 into 5 into 5. So common factors are that 5, you have to write here LCM is equal to common factors among all three, th into common factors among two into factors other factors non-common non-common factors is equal to 5. Now here 2 is a common factor in between 2, so that 2 we have taken, that 2 we have taken. Now this 2 will come here, then this 7 will come here, 140. So this is the prime factorization method. Twenty, 35, 50. 2 into 2 into 5, okay. Then 5 into 7, okay. Then 2 into 5, 5. And 5 into 2. Then formers are okay. 1, 5 is okay. 700 is the answer. LCM by division method.